One, two. Hello, everybody. This is a quick this is a quick live just to update everybody on the amazing news we just heard that a judge a district judge in District of California issued an injunction to stop the fee increase that is about to start on October 2nd. So just an injunction was issued to stop this fee increase. So we'll talk about this in a second, what it means for your applications, and what will be some of the next steps. I'm getting a lot of messages from our clients, from our YouTube subscribers, and so I just want to get on this live and give you a quick update. So I'll be back. Here we go. I'll be back in just a sec. Okay. So lots of you are joining right now. Welcome. First of all, let me know where you're from. If you're here for the first time joining our channel, I welcome you. My name is Jacob Sapochnick. I'm an immigration attorney here in San Diego, California. And if you are, once again, here for the first time, subscribe to our channel because you're going to get news like that every day. Let's welcome Joseph and Gina and T, Daniel. Welcome, guys. So let's talk about the news that just happened about an hour ago. So let me share my screen so we can see right here. So this is basically the preliminary injunction. This is an injunction that was issued today by a U.S. district judge from the Northern District of California. And the judge granted a motion. This is a motion for preliminary injunction. This is an injunction that was filed by 8 nonprofit organizations and that provide different services helping low-income applicants for immigration benefits. And they had probably the best standing to file this injunction because, as you know, these fees were going to increase by some of these applications, like citizenship was going to go up to more than $1,200. Filing for a green card, adjustment of status, was going to go up to $2,700. More than 65% increase. So there were some outrageous increases in wages, in filing fees. So obviously, specifically impacting low-income immigrants, people that are trying to file for their adjustment of status, citizenship, renew applications, and it was just a lot. So this particular injunction is very welcome right now, and again, but that's not the end, obviously, because there's going to be an actual hearing, an actual trial, and there's going to be a final decision. We're also going to have to see. I'm curious to see what USCIS is going to do, just like with the DACA. For example, they didn't respect the court's decision and they still refused to accept DACA. So we'll see what happens with this in the next few days. But as you know, this was going to take place on October 2nd. Our office, we were working weekends. Even right now, the office is working, trying to assemble those applications. So it's a big deal. This injunction. So I want to see what you guys think. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let me take a few. You guys can ask some questions since I'm here live. I just wanted to come on here to announce it. But if you have any questions, so let me know. And also let me know where you're tuning in from. I want to know where you are. We have people from Haiti. We've got a lot of people from Haiti. Welcome. So let's take a few of your questions. Giselle. Hey, Giselle. Giselle, one of our loyal followers. I appreciate you. Giselle's asking, if you file 130, do we need to pay right away? So of course, any applications that you file, you have to pay the fees, right? So if you were going to file for an I-130 or 45 starting from October 2nd, you would be subject to the higher fees. But now, since there is the injunction is effective. Hey, Ferdinand, the injunction is effective from right away. So we've got a bunch of new subscribers that are joining us. I'm excited. And once again, if you're watching this live, make sure you share and give us that big like on the video so that YouTube is going to share this video with other people just like you who are watching this live. So I'll take a few more questions. So, some people were asking before what will happen if they're not going to be able to make it because so many people were trying to get their forms in on time. And, between getting the form signed and sending it out, if you miss the deadline, immigration would have been sending your case back and you would have to file with an increased fee. And like I said, specifically for citizenship and adjustment of status, it was a very, very significant fee increase. And therefore, this injunction is very much welcome. And I'm great to see I'd like to see your thoughts about this. So Mirna says, so I guess the safest thing is just to go ahead and submit everything that we can right now, just in case. Absolutely. So people are asking me what you can do right now. So because this injunction was issued today, I would essentially, if you have an attorney or you file it, what I'm going to do is I'm essentially going to take this injunction copy and I'm going to file this with all my cases that we're going to file right now. So we're going to use the old fees for all my clients. Like I said, we've been ready to file with the old fees anyway. We have a bunch of cases that we're going to go, but now that we have this injunction, I would essentially use that to try to claim that there shouldn't be a fee increase. But let's see what USCIS is going to do. I'm not optimistic that they're going to respect it. They haven't done it with the DACA decision. They haven't done it with a few other decisions. So hopefully they will respect this one, and let's see what happens. It's going to be interesting this week, specifically as the elections are coming in, the big debate. It's kind of like a push and pull. So let me take a few more questions, guys. I know you have a lot of issues that you let's see here. Kadia, any idea when the embassy in Nigeria is opening? So Candy, what I'm going to do is I'm doing a webinar on this Thursday. We're talking about our membership. Also, we're going to talk about the most pressing updates, including embassy reopening. So I'm going to post a link to our webinar that we're going to do on Thursday. I'm going to do a lot of updates about the most recent up-to-date changes, including embassy reopening, including the visa bulletin, including this update on the fee increase, including people that are stuck at embassies and looking for ways to expedite the cases. I'm going to try to run through a lot of these changes in our webinar. The webinar is going to be this Thursday. The link is going to be in the description of this video, and I highly encourage all of you to join our webinar so you'll be able to get to the most up-to-date. And I'm going to share with you exciting news about our membership, Immigration New, to help you stay in the know. So Monka is saying, I'm already paid all the fees, submitted affidavit of support. Next month will be 3 months as I submitted. So again, you're fine, you submit it, your case is just pending. I wouldn't worry about it. Just let things happen. They have some delays, obviously, but you should be okay. Said is asking, can I speed up my case for a spouse? Yes, you can. And it really depends where. If your case is at NVC level or if it's at the US Embassy, there are different ways to speed up the cases. And I've done quite a few videos on how to expedite the case. I've also discussed it at our private membership as well. And I'm going to mention it in our Thursday webinar as well. So make sure you attend that. But yes. Let me see. Bruce, I requested to expedite over 100 days ago with no response. Is that right? So Bruce, what that means is that most likely your request for expedite was not approved, because typically if they do expedite it, you should pretty much hear about it within 30 days. So either you haven't done it correctly or something happened to deny the case. Again, I see a bunch of you are joining us right now. I want to repeat it again. Those of you that are joining us right now, the reason I'm doing this live stream is because USCIS the fee increase that was going to take place October 2nd. An injunction was just filed today, which means that there is no, the fee increase should not take effect on the 2nd until there's going to be a full trial or a hearing, and a judge will decide the contrary. So right now there's an injunction, and there cannot be a fee increase on October 2nd. Johannes, Ethiopia is not reopening as far as we know, at least until January. That's what we know so far. But again, I'm going to do a separate video on this. Don't worry about this, guys. Hi for joining. Thanks for joining. So once again, guys, this was the purpose of this live. Let me see here. Sorry, I didn't get any approval for SPA for 9 months. Once again, I-130s are pending for a while, so don't be worried about it. So once again, keep posting your questions in the comments. I promise I'm going to get back to all your questions at the end of this live stream. This was a quick, just want to jump on here to update you about the injunction that was filed. And so for the moment, there is no fee increase as far as we know. Again, things can change in the next few days, and I'll promise to come back on live and keep you posted. So once again, anybody that is interested in more information, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also join our private membership, immigrationu.com. There is a link in the description of this video about this membership and how you can benefit from updates just like this one. So thanks for joining this live stream, and I'll see you in our next video, which is going to come in the next day or so. And once again, keep posting those questions. I appreciate all of you guys. You're the best. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have this channel, those amazing followers and subscribers, and I truly enjoy sharing this information with you. So once again, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in our next video.